Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Investors looking to invest in a biotech drug startup should diligence the team for key skills. Here are the key skills needed for biotech drug development. Knowledge for how to drug a target. This means identifying a molecule, often a protein, that is associated with a disease to be treated that could be treated by a drug. Ability to elucidate the mechanism of action. This is the process by which a drug functions to produce a pharmacological effect. Demonstrate safety and efficacy. This shows the therapeutic works and is non-toxic. Ability to design clinical trials to show safety and efficacy. This requires the ability to pick the right therapeutic indication and the appropriate patient population. And finally, understand the regulatory requirements for the approval. This means identifying the right FDA path and the steps required to reach approval. Consider these skills in a founder before investing in a biotech drug startup. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.